Okay, so in the last two videos I have covered with you some of the examples. Here also I will be taking up two more examples and let's see how we will be solving it. Okay, so for this 846.02 base 10. Okay, so how you will be doing it? You will be first dividing this with 16. This 16 5s are 80 and 16 2s are 32. Then 14 is left behind. So for 14 we have E. Next it will go for 16 3 times it will go and 4 will be the remainder on this side. 16 3 is 48 and 4 years. Then it will go for 0 times and 3 will be the remainder. So this is how you will be calculating it for the whole number part. Now for the fractional part, 0.02 multiplied by 16, this is equal to 0.32 and this will be equal to 0. Then 0.32 multiplied by 16. So again you have to multiply 32 with 16. So 192 will be there and 32 2 11 and 4 1 51 512. So this will be equal to 5.125 will be the remainder. Next 0.12 will be there. 0.12 into 16 is equal to 1.92. 16 is 32 and 16 192. Okay, so 192 1 will be the remainder. Now then 0.92 into 16. So this 0.92 into 16 will give you 14.72. 14.72. So the 14 is for E. So you have E over here. Then 0.72 multiplied by 16. So this 0.72 multiplied by 16 will give you 11.52, and this 11 you have B. Okay, B. So what will be the answer for this in this question? This will be equal to 3 4 E dot 051 E B base 16. So this will be the answer for the question. Okay, let's quickly take up one more example. Now in this example, let's suppose that let's take up 961.01 base 0 or 10, and you have to convert it to equivalent hexadecimal number system. Okay, for 961 you have to divide it. So I divide it with 16. It will go for 60 times. 1 will be the remainder on this side. Then it will go for 16 3s are 48. 48 and 12 C will be here. Next it will go for 0 times and 3 will be the remainder. Okay, now for the fractional part, 0.01 into 16 is equal to 0.16. 0 will be the remainder. Next 0.16 into 16 is equal to 2.56. 2 will be the remainder on this side. Next is 0.56 into 16. 0.56 into 16 will give you 8.96. 8 will be the remainder. Then 0.96 multiplied by 16. 0.96 multiplied by 16 will give you 15.36. 15.36. For 15 you have F, and one more time we have to calculate 0.36 multiplied by 16. It will give you 0.36 is multiplied by 16. It will give you 5.76. 5.76. 5 will be the remainder on this side. And so what will be the answer for this? This will be 3C1 dot 0 to 8F5 base 16. So this is how you will be solving these kind of questions. So we have discussed many of the questions today, and see from so many days we are doing the conversion, and I am also giving you some of the examples in the assignments also. Okay, so keep completing that. Anytime you will be asked to submit the assignments, so better do it on a daily basis. Do not wait for the notification to come that do it on today or tomorrow or things like that. So that's it for today. After this I will be sharing with you an assignment sheet that you have to solve.